Right. Right. Everyone see. First problem is, once again I am going to explain. Everyone see. Principle of mathematical induction, using to prove that principle of using the principle of mathematical induction. 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus, so dot plus 3 power of n minus 1 is equal to, answer is given by 3 power of n minus 1 upon 2. By the geometric progression, sum of the n terms. So function topic is over, but only we have some topics we are discussing. So yesterday 2 topics, logarithmic and exponential is over. Next tomorrow I will tell one more. Okay, na? Right. This was done till step 3. Yes, yes. Once again you can listen. Once again listen. So everyone see the problem is, this is the given problem by the GP series. Already you know that GP series. Sum of the n terms formula is a into 1 minus r to the power of n by 1 minus r. Okay, na? By the GP sum of the n terms formula. By the n terms formula, he given the answer. This answer is correct or wrong, we check by the mathematical induction. That is the method of checking. That's enough only. It is the method of checking only. It is the method of checking only. So this is the given by geometric progression. I will write by the geometric progression. See, here is A is equal to 1, R is equal to 3 square by 3, R is equal to 3. Okay, na? So Sn formula is A into R power of n minus 1 by R minus 1, or A into 1 minus R power of n by R 1 minus R. Anyone we can write. A value is 1, R value is the 3 power of n minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Answer is given by 3 power of n minus 1 by 2. Answer is given by same. By the nth term of GP, sum of the n terms answer is given. That is correct or wrong, we are checked by the mathematical induction. The problem is, what we are doing here, formula we are going to apply here. That formula is the correct or wrong, we are going to check by the mathematics. There is only checking method. It is nothing is there, nothing is useful. Already I will tell, no useful about this topic. But what is the checking? New formula is came, then we can check the left hand side, right hand side, answer is coming correct or wrong. That's enough only checking method. Okay, na? So we are using this, it is the checking method, nothing is there. Left hand side answer and the right hand side answer is in JE no question. Yes, in JE no question. In JE never ask any question in this one. Okay, na? So just only checking method. Left hand side answer, right hand side answer is coming correct or not. Left hand side answer newly is coming. Okay, Deepthi. Okay. Yes, Deepa. Okay. Yes. In board, how many marks is given? Board is a 6-mark question. Only 6-mark question only. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. Everyone observe. Don't disturb, and you can be observe. Proof of this one is, first write down step 1. Everyone carefully listen. Very simple. Just checking out left hand side, right hand side answers are correct or not. That's enough. That is the only checking method. Left hand side answer, right hand side answer is coming right or not. That is the only checking method. Then the given formula is the correct one. Okay, na? So everyone see P of, so principle of mathematical induction for n numbers, P of n. Principle of n numbers. What is the given is n numbers is 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus dotted plus 3 power of n minus 1. The right hand side is given by 3 power of n minus 1 upon 2. That's enough. I am going to check the left hand side, right hand side. Answers are coming right, correct or not. So first one start. For n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 means So n is equal to 1 means P of 1 means one step only, one number, T1. Already I will tell. P of 2 means, so statement principle of two numbers, principle of two numbers. P of 1 means principle of one number. Okay, now left hand side is P of 1, principle of one number only, that is the 1. P of 2 means principle of two numbers, 1 plus 3 we can take. Principle of two numbers. P of 2 means principle of two numbers. P of 1 means principle of one number. Left hand side, what is the principle of one number? Is the first number is the 1 is over. RHS, n place is substitute 1. So 3 power of n minus 1 by 2, n place is write down 1 minus 1 by 2, that is the 3 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 2, value is equal to 1. Therefore, LHS is value is equal to RHS. LHS answer, RHS answer is coming correct or wrong. That's only we are going to check. So new persons is came one time. I will see LHS is equal to RHS. Now write down P of 1 is 2. So in this problem, what is the advantage mean? We do the step 1 is the correct, we get the 2 marks. Step 2 is wrong, step 3 is wrong, no objection. Step 1 is correct, steps why they will give the mark. Step 1 is wrong, step 2 is correct, we get 1 mark. So whatever the steps is wrong, that steps we will leave it, remaining correct steps they will give the mark. This is the one of the advantage in this one. Okay, now so see the LHS of the problem and RHS of the problem, both are coming 0. Answer is correct. Therefore, the n is equal to 1. The formula is correct. Okay, now next, yeah, step 2. Okay, now clear everyone. Step 1. Anyone have the doubt? Amma? Step 1. Anyone have the doubt in step 1? You will go for paper check in board, sir. Yes, the basic that one I am telling. Okay, no, sir. Okay, no, sir. Okay, clear, sir. Clear, observe. No doubt, sir. Very good. Very good. Very good, teacher. No doubt, sir. Yes, I go through the step 2. So P of 1 means P of 1 is true. P of 2 is true. No, not for upcoming test. P of 1, P of 2 is true. And similarly, natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, next up to last number I will take K. After K, last number I will take K. What is the after K? 1 is true, 2 is true, 3 is true means automatically K is also true. Okay, na? Therefore, what is the next numbers? What is the next numbers after K is? What is the after K is the K plus 1. Okay, na? Very good. K plus 1. K plus 1 also true means remaining all values are true for infinite. Remaining all values are true for infinite. That is a logic. Okay, right? So 1 is true means. So step 2, everyone simply write down. Step 2 is. Step 2, see this. Step 2 is simply write down. Step 2, it is the just changing the n place is the K. That's enough. So assume that P of K is 2. P of K is 2. That's enough. So P of K is 2. Write down P of K statement. P of K means n place is write down K. N place is write down K. Then that is 1 plus 3 square plus dot plus 3 power of K minus 1 is equal to 3 power of K minus 1 by 2. That's enough. So 1 is true, 2 is true, 3 is true, up to K is true. Okay, now up to K is true. Therefore, after K numbers, up to infinite is true, now up to K is the K plus 1 also again. Just this write this step is 1 mark. We get the 1 mark. Just writing this step, very simple. Assume that P of K is true. And write down P of K in place of n, write down K. We get the 1 mark. Very simple. We get the marks in this one. Everyone clear? Next, I go through the step 3. Step 3 is nothing but step 3 is k places take k plus 1. For k places take k plus 1. For k is equal to k plus 1. K place take k plus 1. Now write down here. So 1 plus 3 square plus dot plus k place, write down k plus 1. Already we have minus 1 is equal to 3 power of k place is the k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, na? Minus 1 by 2. So for k places take k plus 1. So 1 plus 3 square plus so on. K place is the k plus 1. Understanding? K place is the k plus 1. Already we have minus 1. K place is the k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay, na? Here minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled. Now I will write 1 plus 3 square plus dot plus 3 power of k is equal to 3 power of k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. One minute sound is coming. Anand. So sound is there. Just 5 minutes wait. They will stop. Right. Step 3 is understand everyone. So step 3 just k place is write down k plus 1. Now left hand side answer, right hand side answers both are equal or not equal. Yes. Both side equal. Left hand side answer. I am going to check the left hand side answer is equal to the right hand side answer or not equal. That's enough only we are going to check. Everyone see. Here is observe 1 plus 3 square plus 3. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers is there mean. Before number is the one number is less. Before number is the one number is less. Before number is the one number is less. Okay, na? That's why it's 3 power of k. Before number is one number is the less. I will write here. Everyone see. Everyone see. Before number is the 1 plus 3 square plus 3 cube. 1 plus 3 square dot less 3 power of k. Before number is the one number less 3 minus k minus 1 plus 3 power of k. Before number is the 3 power of 1 is the less. Before number is the 3 power of 1 number is the less. Understand this point is everyone. So everyone understand this point is it's before 3 power of k. Before number is the 1 power is less. So before 1 power is less, this point is understand everyone. So 1 power is less is the correct now. Now write on the right side is 3 power of k minus 1 by 2. Now simplify the left hand side. Same right hand side answer is getting or not getting, you can observe. So I will go through the left hand side. Take the left hand side. 1 plus 3 square plus dot plus 3 power of k minus 1 plus 3 power of k. Okay, now everyone see this step 2. Everyone see this step 2. 1 to 3 power of k minus 1. What is the value? See in step 2. See in step 2. Everyone see this step 2. 1 plus 3 square 1 plus 3 square. 1 plus 3 square plus 3 power of k minus 1 is equal to, what is the step 2 right side is? What is the step 2 right side is? Everyone say step 2 right side is 3 power of k minus 1 by 2. Is it correct? Step 2 see. Here is by the step 2 write down its value 3 power of k minus 1 by 2 plus 3 power of k. This point is understandable. So everyone up to this point 1 plus 3 square up to 3 power of k minus 1. In step 2 already I will write in C. Step 2 I will write here. What is the value in this step 2 is 1 plus 3 square. Once again step 3. Step 3 is just I will write k 3 power. See 3 square before is the 3. 1 power is less. 1 number is less. Therefore 3 power of k. What is the before number is the 3 power of k minus 1. Okay na? Clear? So abhi clear? Any doubt in this one? 3 power of k minus 1. Any doubt? Anyone have the doubt? Before number. So see 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is a 1, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power of 4, 3 power of 5. What is the before number of 3 power of 5 is? What is the before number of 3 power of 5 is? 3 power of 4 means one number is less na? One number is less na? Therefore 3 power of k is before number is the one number is less 3 power of k minus 1. Is it clear? Everyone? Anyone doubt? Abhay clear na? Abhay clear na? So see in this step 2. 1 plus 3 square up to 3 power of k minus 1 up to 3 power of k minus 1. What is the value is? 3 power of k minus 1. Write down in this place. So up to this one by this step 2. I am using this step 2. So this value is the 3 power of k minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 power of k. Now simplify. Now simplify everyone. Take LCM. 3 power of k minus 1 plus 2 times of 3 power of k. LCM is 2. So take 3 power of k is common. 3 power of k is common. 3 power of k is common. Here is 1. Here is 2. 1 plus 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay na? 1 plus 2 is the 3. 3 into 3 power of k minus 1 by 2. Bases are equal. We should add the powers. Bases are equal. We should add the powers. So 3 power of k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Same RHS. We get the same RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Any doubt? LHS is equal to RHS. Anyone have the doubt? Anyone? Anyone have the doubt? LHS value is equal to last again. See here is taking the LCM. Taking the LCM. LCM is the cross multiplication 3 power of k minus 1. 2 into 3 power of k by 2. Okay na? In these two terms, in these two 3 power of k is common. Here 1 time. Here is a 2 times. 1 plus 2. Okay na? Minus 1. 3 power of k into 3 minus 1. Bases are equal. We should add the powers. 3 power of k. Okay na? 3 power of k. So 3 power of k plus 1 minus 1. That is the same RHS. LHS value, RHS value both are equal. We get the same RHS value. So see the RHS value is the same. So LHS value, RHS value both are equal. Sorry, next problem with all steps. So it is clear. First it is clear. So therefore write down LHS is equal to RHS. Now write down by the now write down conclusion step. By the principle of mathematical induction, write down the conclusion step. by the principle of mathematical induction, the given problem is true for small n belongs to all the natural numbers. Right on the conclusion step. By the principle of mathematical induction, the given problem is true for small n belongs to capital N. Small n. Next, the second problem I will explain. Now you should be clear. Second problem I will explain once again. Then you should be clear. Everyone see the second problem. Write down. Once again, I will explain second problem. Then we can get the idea about this one. Note down the second problem. Second problem is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. 3 cube dot plus n cube is equal to n into n square, n plus 1 square by 2 square means 4. We are going to show that. That is the given problem. Right? Everyone start yourself also. Everyone start. Everyone stop. Write down the step 1. Proof, write down the start. Everyone. Yourself also start. Yourself also start. Everyone. P of principle of n numbers is given. Left side is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dot plus n cube. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube dot n cube is equal to n square, n plus 1 square by 4. N square plus n plus 1 square by 4. Right. Everyone, write down step 1. This is the step 1. This is the step 1, everyone. This is the step 1. Right. Everyone start. Everyone start step 1. Okay, now? Right. First, P of r, n is equal to 1. Left hand side is first number, P of 1. For principle of first number, 1 cube, its value is 1. RHS, n place write down 1. 1 square, 1 plus 1 square by 4. 1 square is a 1, 1 plus 1 is a 2 square by 4. That is equal to 4 by 4. Value is 1. Therefore, LHS value is equal to RHS. P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. Okay, now? P of 1 is true. Everyone. Right, everyone start. Everyone, P of 1 is true. Okay, now? Right. First step, LH, very good, teacher. Second step, write down. Step 2, write down, everyone. Step 2. Everyone, write down the step 2. Assume that P of K is true. N place, write down K. Just N place, write down K. 1 cube P of K is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. N place is k cube is equal to k square, k plus 1 square upon 4. K plus 1 square upon 4. Everyone clear? Everyone clear? This should be remembered. This step should be remembered. Yes, Sanjeev. This step should be remembered, everyone. Now I will write step 3. Everyone see. Step 3. Step 2, everyone remember. I go through this step 3. Step 3 is step 3 for k is equal, place write down k plus 1. K place write down k plus 1. P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1 is equal 1 cube. K place write down k plus 1. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube dot k place is the k plus 1 cube is equal to k place write down k plus 1 whole square, k plus 1 whole square, k plus 1 whole square upon 4, right? Upon 4. You did not take number before k3. K cube. Now I am writing. Not necessary. Before here is not necessary. Here only necessary. Not in step 2. Not in step 2. Step 3 only before number we take. Step 3 only before number we can take. Everyone see. 2 before is the 1. 3 before is the 1. Power is the same. 3 before is the 2. 2 before is the 1 means one number is less. In step 3 only we take the before number. Step 2 never take. Just write down and leave it. Okay now? Step 3 everyone observe. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. Before number is the 1 number less. K plus 1 before is the 1 number less. K cube. K plus 1 cube is equal to k plus 1 whole square. Here is the 1 plus 1 is the 2. K plus 2 whole square by 4. Now see the step 2. Up to this part is the step 2. Up to this part is the step 2. LHS side write down first. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube dot k cube plus k plus 1 whole cube. Up to this part is the step 2. By the step 2, what is the value? See, k square, k plus 1 square upon 4. This is the part is the total step 2 value up to k cube. Step 2 value k square, k plus 1 square by 4 plus k plus 1 cube plus k plus 1 cube. Okay na? So right, take common and simplify. K plus 1 whole square is the common. Take everyone. K plus 1 whole square is the common. K plus 1 whole square is the common. Here is k square by 4. Here is k plus 1. Take LCM and simplify. K plus 1 whole square. LCM is k square 4k plus 4 into 1 is the 4 by 4. Okay na? This is the formula of k plus 2 whole square. 2 square. K plus 2 whole square. Therefore k plus 1 square into, this is the k plus 2 whole square. K plus 2 whole square upon 4. We get the same RHS. See the same RHS. Same RHS. That is the same RHS. Now write down LHS is equal to RHS. Now write down the conclusion step. Understand clearly? Anyone have the doubt? Anyone doubt? Anyone doubt? Understand clearly now everyone? Clear, sir. Right. Sanjeevi is giving answer. Is that clear? Arshad, what about Arshad? Nichal is given, no doubt, sir. Deepti, Deepa, give the response. Aishwarya, understood, sir. Very good. Afzal is given, no doubt, sir. Very good. So, Shahbaz is given, Arshad is given, Saundari is given. Very good. Very Amresh is given. Very good. Abhay, very good. Deepa, very good. Rani, very good. No doubt, Nama. Now we can start the third one. Aishwarya, Ashwini, no doubt, sir. Lalit Kumar, Afzal. Syllabus, I will put in WhatsApp after completing your examination. You should be remember syllabus is. So what is the syllabus? Is the sets and relations only. Okay, na sets and relations. Okay, na next week in a mathematical induction, some problems also we can introduce. Okay, na Rahul Kolakani is given. Clear, sir. Everyone clear. Amresh is given functions. Yes. Sets, relations, function, mathematical induction, some problems only. Okay, na? Given problem is true for n belongs to n. Very good. Write down by the principle PMI. By the principle, the given problem is true for n small n belongs to capital N. Small n belongs to capital N. Clear, everyone? Now go through the third problem. Right, see the third problem. Everyone see the third problem. So everyone prepare. Next coming examination syllabus is the sets, relations and functions. Okay, now sets, relations and functions. Along that one. Okay, along that one, mathematical induction, some problems only. Okay, na? Right. Third problem, 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2, 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3, plus dot, 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 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n numbers is equal to 2n by n plus 1. 2n by n plus 1. Only from textbooks. Yes, only from textbook. Yes, I will put. Group syllabus is I will put. Don't worry about that one. Right. First, everyone see. Left hand side, nth term is not given clearly. First simplify the nth term. Everyone first simplify the nth term. First simplify the everyone nth term. Okay, na? So first simplify nth term is not clear mean. Immediately should be simplify the nth term. So here sum of the natural numbers. Sum of the natural number, already you know the formula. Sum of the natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. First write down there is the separate numbers formula. Correct the problem, everyone. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2. Second term not necessary. Second term not necessary. Simplify. Second term also simplify. 1 plus 2 is a 3. Third term also simplify 1 by 6, 1 by 6. So in the same way, nth term also sum of the natural number n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2n by n plus 1 is equal to 2n by n plus 1. Okay, na? 2n by n plus 1.